Well, we started out 15 years ago as an ETL vendor, extract, translate, load. So to us, the cloud is another target from which our customers need to move their data so they can use it in a more effective fashion. The challenge with government, as is always the case, is the security of that data, and not just really access and identification, but also data governance and the masking of certain data. If you're going to go to cloud for transactional data for healthcare, for instance, you may want to just simply share a unique identifier, but you can't share somebody's social security number, you can't share diagnoses, that sorts of things. So as you move data to the cloud, you have to always keep in mind the whole issue of data security, because so oftentimes in government, that's not simply a nice to have, it's a legislative statute that you have to, you violate the law if you don't keep an eye on it.
Right.
So that's one thing.
Not to mention if you have some type of a breach, it could be, bring your whole system down for a period of time.
That's exactly it. And so the other thing is really, once you have a lot of data that you're trying to move to the cloud, junk begets junk. So you have the challenge of cleaning that data, of updating contacts, removing duplicates, all the types of things that you need to do when, again, I pointed to the IRS example because there's just volumes of data they're moving up. So doing that translation up to the cloud is important. Once you get there, obviously there's a tremendous advantage to government in terms of its operation, because it allows itself then to structure the business to better meet the needs of the mission of the agency, whether it's DoD or intelligence or civilian.